Hi, it's Dr. Sob. Thank you for selecting this video. Today, I'm going to show you how to use active lane keeping assist, active brake assist, and also blind spot assist. This video is perfect if you've just got the latest generation MBUX, such as the new C-Class 2022, EQE 2022, EQS 2022, SL 2022, S-Class 2021. For other models that are built after 2022, please see the description below, which this video will be relevant for. Also, after this video, check out my tips and tricks video, which is in the link below. Also, I want to say a big thank you to Lucas Mercedes-Benz Wolverhampton for making this video possible. Now, I'm going to just show you how to actually switch off the active brake assist, the active lane keeping assist, and the blind spot assist. To do this, what you do is go into settings and go to assistance, avoid contact, and here you can now switch off the systems. And when you switch it off, you'll also get a message on the instrument cluster. So when I switch off the active brake assist, you'll see, well, that's off. If I switch off the active lane keeping assist, you'll notice, well, that's off now. When you switch off blind spot assist, you'll notice a little message pop up on the instrument cluster. Other than that, you won't see any other warning that that system is off. If you switch it back on, you will be notified on the instrument cluster that it's on. Again, no symbol to symbolize that it's on. The active lane keeping assist, you'll see now that's working. And the active brake assist, it's gone, the message and symbol. If these ever highlight in green, that means it's actively working as well. If you want to learn more about what LIM means, check out my video on how to use the cruise control and speed limiter. If I switch it all off, you'll see the active brake assist is off. Every time you switch off the car, let's say you're back at home, and then the next morning you come back in, the system will automatically come back on. So it's not a permanent switch off, you could say. You do have to actively keep going back into the system and switching it off. There is another thing you can do. You can actually change the level of assistance, of how quickly you want it to work. So you may choose to make it work more early, medium, or late. And here it's saved late. If you want to as well, you can do advanced support, steering interventions to correct the course occur, even for dash lane markings. That's pretty useful in a motorway driving situation. I would recommend having these systems on as well, just in case your insurance company ask, why did you have those safety systems off? They are designed to keep you safe, but if you don't like how the system works, you can customize it to your driving style. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, comment if you've got any suggestions for future videos.